Local wisdom in KTH Alue Simantok. The implementation of the Khanduri Glee LLL KTH Alue Simantok activities on the 18th to the 19th of February 2023 at the Block 2 Alue Batee Meuasah location was successful. The event, which lasted for 2 days with the main agenda, was prayer led by Abi Fadhil and TGK Lukmanul Hakim from Dayah Al-Aziziyah Meunasah Krueng Peudada Bireuen. In the discussion sessions which took place from Saturday, Sunday evening and Sunday morning, which discussed the future management of social forestry KTH Alue Simantok in the field of post-harvest development of Jernang and the tourism sector. The discussion session was also attended by WRI Indonesia, the Economic Bureau of the Regional Secretariat of Aceh, Center for Research on Forestry at Syiah Kuala University in Banda Aceh, BKPH Meureudu, Tourism and Sports Office of Bireuen, Bapeda Bireuen, Assistant 2 of the Bireuen Regional Secretariat, Bireuen Forestry Extension Officer, Extension Coordinator Aceh Forestry, Head of Peudada Sub-District, Member of DPRK Bireuen PAN Fraction, KTH Meuseuraya Jeunieb, KTH Batee Pinto Rimba Peudada, Gampong Hagu apparatus, and Peudada District community leaders. This activity was led directly by Bireuen Forestry leader Mr. Dayah S. Hut, who now serves as Assistant 2 of Bireuen Regional Secretariat. He is also one of the pioneers, facilitators and motivators since the pre-permit until now. At the event, which took place solemnly in the middle of the wilderness of Peudada Forest, representatives from several government agencies participated in visiting the Putro Dusun site, Sahada Rock and Putro Dusun waterfall, even though it was raining. In this discussion session there were several points that could be concluded by the Social Forestry KTH Alue Simantok Peudada Bireuen Management Discussion Forum in the future, including regarding the support of the Aceh and Bireuen provincial governments in developing the educational ecotourism sector at KTH Alue Simantok, then the study of the Dragon Blood Alue Simantok Jernang plant by the University Syiah Kuala Aceh, discussion on road access and other supporting infrastructure and institutional strengthening by WRI Indonesia so that KTH Alue Simantok will be able to achieve their dreams and aspirations. After all these sessions were carried out, on Sunday afternoon, a joint prayer led by Abi Fadhil and TGK Lukmanul Hakim from Dayah Al-Aziziyah Meunasah Krueng Peudada was carried out according to our customs and traditions in Aceh, which was continued with Khanduri together. This joint prayer event took place solemnly in the hope that Allah SWT will bless the struggle of the children of the interior, Alue Simantok Peudada, and make the location they manage will carry the name of Peudada District, Bireuen Regency and Aceh Province to become famous with the new icon of Bujangan Kodak Jernang cultivation and ecotourism. Rimbawan Chanel YouTube. Sufriyadi, Young Forestry Extension Officer, the 19th of February 2023.